In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docker environment variables. We're going to keep this simple and practical by looking at how to view the environment variables that are already being used by a running container inside Docker Desktop. This is especially helpful when you want to confirm configuration settings, troubleshoot behavior, or better understand how a container has been set up. To get started, open the Docker Desktop app on your computer. Once Docker Desktop is running, you'll be able to access the graphical interface that lets you inspect containers without needing to use terminal commands. This is a convenient option if you prefer a visual workflow or just want to quickly check settings. After Docker Desktop opens, go to the Containers tab. This section shows you the containers available on your system, including which ones are currently running. If you have several containers, take a moment to identify the one you want to inspect. Since environment variables are tied to a specific container, it's important to open the correct one before moving on. Next, click on your running container. This opens the detailed view for that container, where Docker Desktop provides information about its status, logs, configuration, and other useful details. If you're reviewing a container for debugging, this page is often the best place to begin because it gives you a full snapshot of how that container is operating. From there, look for the inspect section and then find env. This is where Docker Desktop displays the environment variables associated with the container. You'll typically see them listed as key value pairs, which means each variable has a name and a corresponding value. These values can control application behavior, define runtime settings, or pass configuration into the container when it starts. As you review this list, be careful with any sensitive values that may appear there. Environment variables often include configuration data, and in some cases, they may contain private information. If you're recording your screen, sharing screenshots, or presenting this to a team, it's a good idea to double check what's visible before sharing it. That's really all there is to it. Open Docker Desktop, go to the Containers tab, select the running container, and view its environment variables under Inspect and env. It's a quick and reliable way to understand how a container is configured, and it can save you time when troubleshooting or verifying settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.